Welcome back, everyone. Today we're going to be doing LeetCode 557, reverse words in a string 3. So we're given an input string and we need to reverse the order of characters in each word within a sentence while still preserving the white space and the initial word order. Okay, so let's take a look at our examples. So it looks like they're just reversing each word, keeping the space, reversing the word, keeping the space, reversing the word. Okay. So what are our constraints? So we're guaranteed to have at least one word in our string, and all of the words will be separated by a single space. There's no leading or trailing white spaces, and they're all ASCII characters. Okay, so I think the simplest way to go about this would be to create an array of our original string split on the spaces so we can get each word. So we could say array is equal to s dot split, and what are we going to split on? We're going to split on the white space. Now what do we need to do? Well, let's just visualize what we have right now. So now we have a list with each individual word inside of it. So what do we want to do? We want to reverse each word. So we're going to have some sort of for loop, right? So, and we know that strings are immutable, so we're going to have to essentially build out a new string. So let's say for word in array, our new string is going to be equal to an empty string. And what are we going to do? We're going to say new string plus equals the word reversed. And then we should have another array. We'll call it res. Okay, so we have the reversed. Let's print this out just to make sure. New string. What do we get? So that reverses each word in our array. Okay, perfect. So now what? Let's, instead of printing it out, let's just do a res.append that new reversed string. And then let's print out res over here. So now we have a list with our words reversed. What do we need to do now? Well, we need to get the original string back. So what can we do? Well, we can simply just return a string join of res, and what are we going to join on? We're going to join on a white space. So this should give us the correct answer, and we do pass both test cases, it looks like. Yep, so we can get rid of this print statement, and let's submit this. Okay, so it does work. Now, what are the time and space complexities of what we just wrote? Well, we're looping through every word in our array, so that's already O of n. But inside of this, we're also reversing the string. So in this reversing of a string does happen in O of n time. We have to build out a new string and then loop through all the characters in the string to build it. So this loop is actually going to give us an O of n squared time complexity. O of n squared. And our space complexity is going to be O of... See, we're creating an array. We're creating a resulting array and returning the string. So it should be, I want to say the space complexity is going to be the array, the length of our initial array plus the length of our resulting array plus our return string, the length of our return string.